Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. All right. I've finished refurbishing this Leslie upper motor stack. Cleaned, lubricated, and oiled the fast motor. Replaced the slow motor and adjusted everything. And so now this motor is ready to be installed back into a Leslie cabinet. It's functioning as it should. I just want to show it to you. And this was my project for the day. Put in some new rubber here with some new bushings there, and as well as over here, and a new rubber O-ring as well, and new cord on the slow motor. Brand new cord here. There you go. So this motor is now ready to be returned to the client in Virginia. Till the next video, Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc, doing what I do. Peace out.